Bitcoin, you hear it about everywhere, news, Instagram, Reels, finance conversation. But what exactly is Bitcoin? Should you invest? Is it safe? And what will happen to Bitcoin in the future? In this video, I'll break down the Bitcoin from beginner to advanced in the simplest way possible. So sit tight, this might be the most valuable 10 minutes you spend today. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the world's first digital currency that no one controls. Not a bank, not a government. It was created in 2009 by an unknown person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. But why it was created? Because the world had just seen one of the biggest financial crises, the 2008 recession. People lost trust in banks. Bitcoin comes with a promise, money that is decentralized, fully digital and transparent, borderless and limited in supply. Think of it as digital gold. How Bitcoin works? Bitcoin works on a technology called blockchain. A public digital ledger. Every blockchain transaction is recorded in blocks and these blocks are linked together creating a chain, hence blockchain. Now the question is who verifies this transaction? Not a bank, not any company. It's verified by thousands of computers around the world called miners. Miners solve complex math problem. When they solve it, a block is added to the new blockchain and they are rewarded with a new Bitcoin. This is called Bitcoin mining. Why Bitcoin has value? Bitcoin is valuable because of scarcity. There can only be 21 million Bitcoins, not one more. This makes Bitcoin completely opposite to fiat currency like US dollar, Indian rupees, which government can print unlimited. Some reason why Bitcoin holds value because Bitcoin is limited in supply and high in demand. Bitcoin is totally decentralized and global acceptance. Bitcoin is protected by a strong cryptography, but no single authority can control it. This is why many call Bitcoin as digital gold. Is Bitcoin safe? Bitcoin itself is extremely safe. The blockchain has never been hacked since 2009, but the risk comes from exchanges getting hacked, people losing their passwords, and scams and fake trading apps are too much in the market, and emotional trading can make you lose their money. So Bitcoin is completely safe, but how you can store it and how you can buy it matters. How to buy Bitcoin? You can buy Bitcoin using exchanges like Coinbase, Binance and CoinDCX, and P2P platforms and Bitcoin ATMs in some countries. Before investing, choose a trusted exchange and complete your KYC. Then deposit money into your account. After the deposit the money, you can buy Bitcoin and store it in a safe and secure wallet. That brings us to the next point. How to store Bitcoin safely? You can store Bitcoin in two ways. First is hot wallet, mobile apps or online wallets. Super easy to use but connected to the internet, slightly higher risky. Second is cold wallet, USB-like device, ledger and trezor, completely offline, safest for long-term holdings. If you are holding a big amount for long term, use a cold wallet. Should you invest in Bitcoin? Bitcoin is not a get rich quick scheme. It is a long-term and high volatile market and high potential assets. People invest in Bitcoin for wealth building and protection against inflation and future financial system. But remember one thing, Bitcoin can goes up to 300%, but it is also drop 50% in few months. So only invest your money if you are hold for 3 to 5 years. Bitcoin price prediction for 2026. Analysts believe that if adaptation continues, Bitcoin could reach up to $150,000 in the future. But remember, these are predictions, not guarantee. Bitcoin biggest growth historically happens after having events when supply reduce and demand rise. Real usage of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is used for sending money internationally in minutes, fast international transfer and holding a long-term value, and protection against from local currencies, and even by institution as digital gold. Bitcoin is not just an investment, it is a technology that reshaping global finance. So that was the complete guide to Bitcoin from basic to advanced. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe for more finance content. Comment below, do you own Bitcoin? Let's see how many future millionaires are watching this. And do comment which topic do you want in the next video.